How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Cookin with Crawdad, episode number dose. On this episode, this evening, on this Valentine's Day evening, we're going to prepare PopTarts, s'mores, frosted, now with more frosting. And guess what, ladies and gentlemen? This is real simple. All you gotta do is open it. Open it completely. Open the package completely. You catching that, cameraman? Get that. You see that? Look at that. All right, ladies and gentlemen. And then all you have to do is you just got to put this stuff off to the side. You don't need that. You don't need that. And all you want to do is, Peaches, get out of the kitchen. You're not supposed to be in the kitchen. We're making Pop-Tarts with now more frosting. All right? All right, cameraman, let's just ignore that vermin. And all you gotta do, ladies and gentlemen, is put it in the toaster. And this is the complicated part that I made the video for. You gotta adjust this. Now, many people don't know this, but the numbers indicate the amount of minutes that it's gonna toast for. We're just gonna keep it at 4. And that's all you gotta do, ladies and gentlemen. Perfect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, on to the next step. So, the Pop-Tarts have finished popping and toasting, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the paper towels, because we don't use plates around these parts. We just use paper towels exclusively. So then you pull the Pop-Tart out of the microwave, and then you sit it right there. You sit it on the paper towel, and it's nice and protected right there. And then you gotta get your drinking device, because no Pop-Tart can be eaten without a beverage. And for this meal, we have a red Solo cup. And then you go over here, and you open this. And then you find the milk. And we got the milk right here, ladies and gentlemen. We got whatever this is. I don't know. I have trouble reading. So then we go over here. All right. And then you take the milk. You take the milk and you dump it right into the cup. Like that. All right, we're going to top that off just a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Perfect. 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 All right. And then we go over here, and we just put this right back where we got it. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Your completed s'mores Pop-Tarts with more frosting. Yeah! Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Please subscribe for more content. Peaches.